Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, hello, good evening. Yeah, it's a very, very special day today for all of us. We are now, we are now 3 years old. We all know how to count. It's a very, very special day for us. We remember the time when there were just the three of us, Mr. Grover, Geeta and myself, who sat down in July 2022 with this idea of starting the Evergreen Seniors. And from just 3 members on that day, we are now a huge, huge family. Our WhatsApp group shows 144 members. And frankly, it's not about the numbers, it's about the fact that we've got to know each other. We've all become friends, we are a huge family, and we all look forward to the third Wednesday of every month when our team really takes all the trouble to bring something new. There's always something exciting happening, and we have not repeated most of the things that we do. So we have an extremely dedicated team who meet every Wednesday to chalk out the program. But before I go any further, I would now start the proceedings with the lighting of the lamp. We have please come forward. We have today as a very special guest, Mr. Ram Pratap Singh, Vice President of our association. And we have Miss Rolly Tandon, MC in charge of the clubhouse and in charge of the party hall. The party hall has much improved, madam. We've seen it for 3 years, but we still have our demands. So for lighting the lamp, please come forward. Mr. Pratap Singh, Mr. Rolly, Mr. Joginder, Mr. Shankar Jayaraman, Geeta, Anthony. Please come.
1 minute, song is playing.
अच्छा फोटो
No, music.
म्यूजिक हाँ वो भी जरूरी है
That's important. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
keep our community shining bright in the days to come. The last 1 year has been really and truly amazing. we have had our usual dances, songs, dramas that light up the stage every month. But we had a special picnic last year, and I think that was extremely, extremely wonderful because we saw our, it's very difficult to say seniors. Mr. Grover likes to always be called a young boy. So the young boys and girls, yeah, they at the boot camp, they're amazed and shocked. So many of us because they climbed the ropes and they went across the various bridges and all the various difficult activities that were there at the boot camp. And it was a very, very great success. We hope that it will be organized some more in the days to come. And the other thing that the new thing that we did this year was to organize Queen's Contest, an Evergreens Queen's Contest. And after that, this was followed by the King's Contest. And we really wondered whether, our seniors would come forward and take part in these events. The ladies somehow, I think we thought we could persuade them. But then the men outdid the women in the King's Contest. That was really very great and very commendable. The idea is that whatever is there in us, the little child in us, has come to the fore through the forming of this group, and we just learn to be ourselves and just enjoy and not be bogged down by the various stereotypes that are there in society.
Very nice.
And I'm also very happy to say that this year we participated in the Independence Day celebrations.
Yes.
We were in the March Past. We were in the March Past as a contingent. There was also a group song, and we hope that in the days to come, we continue as seniors to take part in all the activities that Purva Venezia organizes. So, ladies and gentlemen, there is a whole lot of things to celebrate, and what is a celebration without the cutting of the cake? You see, हमने तो मुंह मीठा किया है already, but this Western cake is also to be cut as part of our celebrations. That is how it is done internationally, worldwide. And so we had the cutting of the cake. Can I ask our two guests and Mr. Gopinath, Mr. Grover, आइए, you all can jointly cut the cake.
Suresh, play that song.
Yeah.
Happy birthday.
Happy.
Happy birthday to us. I'm giving you time when I'm lighting it.
फोटो ऐसा नहीं दे सकते हो।
वो ले रहे हैं।
So let us just sing if the music is not playing from there.
No, he's playing. He's playing. You all take some time. Yeah, seniors.
is time for us to do something very special to commemorate this 3rd anniversary. And therefore, we have, you can see these boxes here. We created for ourselves a logo. It's this small little thing here, yeah. We created our logo and we also created a slogan for ourselves, which is stay connected, stay happy. The logo and the slogan we got printed on t-shirts, which some of us have worn. Please see the t-shirt. We made it in red color and in white, and front bears the logo and the back bears our slogan. Apart from the t-shirts, little mementos which we can keep with us, we also got made some customized flasks which many of you have taken.
This is the flask.
This
3 marks.
this is the flask which comes in 3 marks with Evergreen Seniors written on the flask itself. Just little tokens which we'll have around the house which will remind us of this huge family of ours. Apart from this, we also designed a mug to gift to our executive members. It also bears our logo and a photo of the executive members.
And it was sponsored by the founding member, Joy and Rose.
Yeah, I had invited Miss Suja Praveen, but she is still to turn up. Suja Praveen, a Venetian, has very graciously designed our logo for us at no cost. So I wanted her to be here, and I hope she turns up sometime during the function so that we can give her a little gift from our side. And last but not the least, Geeta Anthony has designed and printed a newsletter. This is the first time we're attempting such a thing. This is her effort. She has put it all together, and she has also paid for the printing of the newsletter as well. That's our newsletter being released by our Vice President, Mr. Ram Pratap Singh and Roli Tandon. You will be given your copies of the newsletter after this part of the function is over. We will also be putting it up digitally, and you will be able to read it and see it on your mobile phones. Yeah, please, for a photo, please.
The last page, the poem has been written by
Joy Chandler. It's the effort of Geeta Anthony, everything in fact. Yeah. Yeah, so that's all that we have done to commemorate this 3rd anniversary. And now I request the Vice President to please give a token of our appreciation to our executive members. This is the team which works ever so hard behind the scenes to make things happen every month. We start with Mr. Whoever is closest, I'll say Mr. Gopinath. Yeah, thank you. Mr. Shankar Jayaraman. Yeah. Mr. Grover. Suresh Doraiswamy. And this side, Radhika Prabhu, Hema Swaminathan, Rukmini Jayaram Rao, Deepika Muradka.
I'll take one. Thank you.
Oh, Geeta Anthony. What about me? Do I get something?
You, madam.
Thank you so much. And
Bill, that's all.
yes, the executive members have all
Keep that.
been given the mementos. A vote of thanks
There are
is in order.
some members missing, executive members.
Some executive members are missing. That is Rashmi Jain, Usha Ramnath, Arun Kumar, and Vijay Kumar. Yeah, they are not here today, so we will give them on a later date. Yeah, so thank you, Mr. Ram Pratap Singh and Loli Tandon for taking time off to encourage us.
Thank you
Yeah,
so
we are-
much and congratulations everyone. And wish you many, many more years to come. We want to see every year how our seniors are being graduated each year. So it's really a thank you for inviting us. It's a pleasure, definitely a pleasure to be here and part of this function which you guys are celebrating. So thank you so much.
Thank you very much. I am speechless standing in front of my seniors. Thank you very much.
So thank you everybody. We will now be giving you the copy of the newsletters, and in the meantime, Suresh Swami will prepare the stage for the next part of our program, the entertainment program.